best way to pack a winter coat into a suitcase, instructions for sewing a ski-style sleep mask, and what to do if the person sitting next to you on a long flight keeps snoring? Learn useful, interesting life hacks for winter travel in our new video. Christy and Stevie are reading their favorite book, but all of a sudden they hear ringing. It's their friend Ben, reminding them about his invitation. This evening, he's going to host Christy and Stevie at his house. Oh wow! How could we have forgotten? Ben lives far away. In 3 hours, we have to be on the plane. We need to pack as quickly as we can, or else it's an end to the friendship. Instead of bringing a huge suitcase, Christy always has a carry-on size suitcase that's small enough to fit everywhere she goes. That's how she saves money on luggage fees and avoids having to wait for her checked bag at the airport. And she'll definitely never lose her carry-on. Come on, Stevie, don't just lie there, help me! We can only pack things that we really need for our 2-day trip. 5 sweaters, 2 shirts, a blanket, a flat iron, scarves, hats. Oops! I think we have too many things. This coat won't fit. Stop! Don't panic! Stevie knows a life hack for the correct way to fold a coat. In order to keep a winter coat from taking up too much room in your suitcase, first fold it normally. Then roll it up. Stuff it into the hood. And tightly wrap it in Saran Wrap. Now the coat is compact and can easily fit into our tiny suitcase. Thanks, Stevie! Looks like we're done packing. Don't celebrate yet, Stevie! Christy wants to bring her comfy pillow with her. Stop! If you do that, there's no way it'll fit in the bag. Take your favorite memory foam pillow out of its case. Roll it up as tightly as you can and put it in a Ziploc bag. Nice! The pillow is tightly packed into a neat little spiral. We're saving space, and the suitcase closes without any trouble. Finally, the packing is done. Now we need to make our suitcase look distinctive so we don't lose it. To do that, let's tie a colorful bow onto the handle using a regular ribbon. Now Christy won't confuse her bag for someone else's. Can we go yet? You wish! Stevie forgot that he's not traveling alone, and Christy needs to bring a whole mountain of makeup. Instead of packing your whole makeup bag, just bring the essentials: makeup remover, mascara, foundation, toner, lipstick, and eyeshadow. While Christy's busy packing, Stevie snacks on a cereal bar. This is a great idea for traveling. Power bars don't take up a lot of space, and they're very nutritious. A perfect way to spend the time while your friend finishes packing. Finally, we're headed out. Last question. Stevie, did you bring any money? Only clueless tourists keep all their money in a wallet. For the sake of safety, keep money in different places. How about hiding some in a hat? Not the best idea. Instead, try putting them in an unusual wallet in the form of a notebook. No robber or pickpocket will be able to guess that there's money inside. Tear the paper out of a notebook. Leave the spiral and the covers. Trim a foam rubber sheet to fit the size of the notebook and hot glue it into the cover. Cut a pocket with slots for credit cards out of a white foam rubber sheet. Attach it to one side of the cover. Cut 2 envelopes out of an orange foam rubber sheet. Glue them together and secure them with a small button. Attach the envelopes to the other side of the cover. Place your various cards into the slots and put cash into the envelopes. There we go! The money's all hidden! Not quite! You can hide the rest of your cash in a marker. Take the rod out of an old marker that doesn't work anymore. Put a folded bill into a Ziploc bag. Roll it up and stuff it into the marker. If we do this, there will be no chances for any thieves to take all our money. There we go! Finally, we can go to the airport! Thank goodness we made it onto our plane! The Troom Troom flight is taking off in search of adventures. As soon as the flight attendant finishes the safety presentation, Stevie starts nodding off. There's just one problem. Stevie's neck can't handle the strain. Christy knows how to help him out. Fold a thin throw blanket a few times and roll it up. Sew 2 pieces of stretchy fabric together. Leave one side free, but sew the others. Sew Velcro on both sides. Turn the case right side out. Make fringe out of felt. Glue it along the edges of the case. Attach Velcro to the fringe. Put the blanket into the case. Close all the Velcro. Turn the pillow and secure it with the Velcro on the fringe. Stevie puts the pillow onto his shoulders. How comfy! Stevie relaxes and starts snoring really loudly. Oh no! What a horrible soundtrack for my flight! Maybe he's snoring because he's cold. In that case, it's easy to take the pillow out of its case and turn it back into a blanket. And cover up poor Stevie. But that didn't help. Stevie's snoring is louder than the engines. It's like he's being sawed in half in his sleep. The woman sitting behind us is getting suspicious that something's wrong. I can't do this! Attendant, please help! Christy gets brought some compact earplugs. You can bring these on a plane with you, put them in your ears, and avoid hearing your neighbor's annoying noises. What a relief! Now Stevie's snoring won't bother her anymore. Christy would be able to sleep if it weren't for all this bright light, but this ski mask will help her sleep. Trace a ski mask template on red felt. Cut out 2 pieces. Make a smaller mask out of turquoise. Cut diagonal strips out of white felt. Attach the turquoise mask onto the red one, along with the white stripes. Hot glue a wide elastic ribbon along the edges of the second red piece. Attach the mask on top. Decorate it with a snowflake. Christy has her mask and her earplugs, and she goes into a deep, calm sleep. Just don't sleep through your arrival. We're finally here! And our dear friend Ben is waiting for us. We have so much to tell each other. Ben is amazed by my hat and cowl. He can't even tell that they're made out of an old sweater. Trace a hat pattern in the center of an old sweater that you don't wear often anymore. Cut out 2 pieces with the lower elastic. Hot glue them together. Decorate it with snowflakes. Wrap some yarn around a piece of cardboard. Secure the bundle of yarn with some thread in the center. Take it off the cardboard and cut the edges. Spread it out and even out the pom-pom. Make another one. Hot glue a piece of Velcro to the pom-pom. Attach the second Velcro to the hat. Put the pom-poms onto the hat. You can make a few different colors of pom-poms and change them to match your mood. I show off how easy it is to change out the pom-poms on my trendy hat. Choose whatever color you like and Velcro it on. And what a beautiful cowl! Making it is easy too. Cut a rectangle out of the same old sweater you already used. Hot glue the sides together. Turn in the outer edges and secure them with hot glue. Gather the other side and glue the folds. The hat and cowl look great on Christy. It's nice to get compliments. Christy heads off alone to fix herself up after a long journey. Meanwhile, the boys are having a conversation about important manly issues. Who's playing what video game and reading what comic book? Christy finally comes back to the table. She wants to look fresh after her flight, so she washed her face and stuck patches under her eyes. But the men don't really like her cosmetic efforts. They just hope that Christy won't spend all vacation looking like this. Oh sure, laugh it up! But Christy knows she'll look fresh in every photo like a beautiful spring flower. Did you like our winter travel life hacks? Then write in the comments about what suggestions you thought were the most useful. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click on the bell so you don't miss any new life hacks for traveling on Troom Troom.